In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion Support Services. By the end, you'll know how to find Notion through Google, log in, use Notion AI to generate a CRM, and open the database it creates, all in a clear, straightforward flow. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Notion. You should see the official Notion website at the top of the results. Click the official results so you're taken to Notion's homepage. A quick tip here. Make sure you're on the authentic site before proceeding, and if you've bookmarked Notion, you can use that instead to save time. Once you're on Notion's homepage, look for the Login option and click it. Sign in with your usual method, whether that's email, single sign-on, or another provider, so you land in your workspace. If you use more than one workspace, confirm you're in the right one where you want the CRM to live. Give the page a moment to load. Larger workspaces can take a few extra seconds. Next, access Notion AI. In most layouts, you'll find an AI entry point on the page or in the toolbar. Click on the Notion AI option to open the prompt area. This is where you'll give the assistant a clear instruction about what you want it to create. In the prompt, type, "Make me a CRM." CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and asking for this tells Notion AI to build a structured database you can use to track leads, customers, and interactions. Keep the phrase simple for now. You can always refine language later, but starting with a concise request helps the AI respond quickly. When you submit the prompt, wait a moment while Notion AI generates the content. After the AI finishes, you'll see a suggested database. Look for the option to open what it created and click Open Database. This brings the new CRM into full view, so you can explore it directly. You'll typically see a table layout with columns for items like name, company, status, and next steps, though the exact structure can vary. Take a quick scan to understand what's been included and how the properties are organized. If the layout appears in a preview, opening it ensures you're working with the actual database inside your workspace. That's it. You've searched for Notion on Google, logged in, launched Notion AI, requested "Make me a CRM," and opened the database the AI created. From here, you can start using the CRM to organize your contacts and follow-ups, and if you need more guidance, Notion's support resources are a great place to learn best practices as you go.